Hey everyone! If you've ever been annoyed by noisy wiper blades, you're not alone. That constant squeaking, chattering, or skipping can drive anyone crazy, especially when you're trying to concentrate on the road. But don't worry, today we're discussing some simple yet effective ways to fix the issue. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful car maintenance tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever had to deal with loud wipers. Why do wiper blades make noise? Noisy wiper blades are more than just an annoyance. They can be a sign of wear and tear or an issue with your windshield. Some common reasons include worn-out blades. Over time, wiper blades deteriorate and lose their flexibility, causing them to make noise. Dirt and debris buildup. If grime accumulates on the blades or windshield, it can create friction and lead to that dreaded squeaking sound. Improper wiper arm tension. If the wiper arms are too tight or too loose, the blades won't sit properly on the glass. Dry windshield. Using your wipers on a dry windshield creates unnecessary friction and noise. Rough or damaged windshield. If the glass surface has imperfections, your wipers won't glide smoothly. Step 1. Inspect your wiper blades. First things first, take a close look at your wiper blades. Over time, they can wear out, crack, or even tear. If you notice any visible damage, replacing them is your best bet. Worn-out blades won't just be noisy. They'll also leave streaks and reduce visibility, which can be dangerous in bad weather. You should replace your wipers every 6 to 12 months, depending on how often you use them and your local climate. Step 2. Clean your blades and windshield. If your wipers are in good shape but still making noise, dirt and debris might be the culprit. A quick fix? Grab a soft cloth and some soapy water, then wipe down both the blades and your windshield. You'd be surprised how much of a difference a clean surface can make. For an even deeper clean, use rubbing alcohol to remove any stuck-on grime. This helps the blades make better contact with the glass. Step 3. Check wiper arm tension. Next, check your wiper arm tension. If the arms are too tight or too loose, they won't make proper contact with the glass, leading to chattering or skipping. You can carefully adjust the arms to ensure they press evenly across the windshield. To do this, gently lift the wiper arms and see if they spring back into place with the right amount of tension. If they seem too tight, slightly loosen them. If they're too loose, tighten them just a bit. Step 4. Lubricate the blades. If that doesn't do the trick, consider applying a silicone-based lubricant to the blades. This reduces friction and helps them glide more smoothly, cutting down on that annoying noise. Just spray a small amount onto a microfiber cloth and gently wipe down the rubber edge of the blade. Avoid using petroleum-based lubricants, as they can damage the rubber. Step 5. Inspect your windshield. Another factor to consider is your windshield itself. If the surface is rough, the blades won't move as smoothly as they should. A glass polish can help restore a smooth finish, improving both wiper performance and visibility. Also, avoid using your wipers on a dry windshield, as this can cause unnecessary wear and noise. If your windshield has chips or cracks, consider getting it repaired, as these imperfections can contribute to the problem. Step 6. Use the right wiper fluid. Sometimes the issue isn't the blades themselves, but rather the type of wiper fluid you're using. A good quality wiper fluid can help reduce friction and keep your windshield cleaner for longer. Avoid using plain water, as it doesn't clean as effectively and can contribute to buildup on the glass. Step 7. Consider upgrading to silicone wipers. If you find that your wipers are constantly making noise despite your best efforts, you might want to upgrade to silicone wiper blades. These tend to be more durable than traditional rubber blades and provide a smoother, quieter operation. They also last longer and perform better in extreme weather conditions. Preventative maintenance tips. To keep your wiper blades in top condition, follow these simple maintenance tips. Clean your wipers and windshield regularly, at least once a month. Wipe down your blades and windshield to remove dirt and grime. Use proper wiper fluid. A good wiper fluid helps keep the glass clean and lubricates the blades. Park in the shade. Excessive sun exposure can dry out the rubber and cause premature wear. Replace blades as needed. Don't wait until your wipers are completely worn out. If they start streaking or making noise, it's time for a new set. Final thoughts. So there you have it. A few simple steps to get rid of that annoying wiper noise for good. Not only will these tips help you enjoy a quieter drive, but they'll also improve your visibility and overall driving safety. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever had a wiper blade that just wouldn't stop squeaking? What worked for you? I'd love to hear your tips. See you in the next video.